Assalamu alaikum. This is the third lecture for mathematics, chapter trigonometry 15.2, page 405, syntax bookboard. Now this is a table which is used in different exercises. Now is a triangle, this is also triangle, and these sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. This table is most important for further solution after when we do exercise. Now let's start. 15.2. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Question number 1. Cosec 16 degree is equal to 1 divided by something. Now what is the value of this? We know that this table. Now this is the question and this is answer. Cosec 16 degree here equal to 1 divided by sine theta. Now theta means 60 degree. So this is the answer. Now question number 2. Sec 30 degree equal to 1 divided by sec 30 degree is equal to 1 divided by cos 30 degree, because sec theta is also proportional to cosec theta. This is the answer. Now question number 3. Sec 60 degree is equal to sec square 1 divided by cosec square cosec 16 degree. Now question number 4. Sine 20 degree is equal to sine 90 degree minus 70 degree is equal to cos dash. Now this is equal to this. Now cosec we use by this formula. When we use this, sine theta is equal to cos theta 90 degree minus theta. Theta means here 70 degree. 70 degree means something like that. We use this formula, sine theta. Now 90 degree, when we subtract from sine 90 degree to theta, the answer is cos theta. So cos theta means 70 degree. Now question number 5. Cos 10 degree is equal to cos into 90 degree dash is equal to sine dash. Now this is equal to, we use cos for this, cos 90 degree minus theta. Cos 90 degree something here theta means which is equal to 10. When we subtract 10 from 90, which is equal to 80. This is the answer. Now next question. Question number 6. Tan 40 degree equal to 10 dash degree minus 50 degree equal to cot dash. Now you use this formula, tan theta equal to cot. Tan theta, when we subtract tan theta from 90 degree to some value of theta, the answer is cot theta. Theta here actually 40 degree. When we 90 degree subtract from 50, which is equal to this. This is answer. When 14 when 40 degree here and 90 degree subtract from 50, which is equal to 40. So the cot theta 50, here we use this formula. Now next question, sec dash equal to sec into 90 degree minus 10 degree bracket band close equal to dash. So which is equal to, we use this formula sec, actually when sec theta equal to cosec 90 degree minus theta, which is same like that. This when sec theta, when actually 90 minus subtract 10, which is equal to 80, and which is equal to also cosec theta 10. Now next question, 8 cosec 10 degree equal to sec. We use this formula. We will use cosec theta equal to sec into 90 degree minus theta. When we subtract theta 90 degree from theta 10, which is equal to sec 80 degree. Okay, now question number 9. Now tan 20 degree equal to cot 70 degree. Actually it's mean cot tan 20 degree equal to cot 70 degree. Okay, now let's go next questions. 15.2. Here find the value of alpha when the value of sine alpha is, this is when sine 30 degree, sine this and 30 degree. Okay, question number, now this is question 1 divided by 2 actually equal to sine 30 degree. Here is the 0 degree, here 30 degree, and here 45 degree, and here 60 degree and 90 degree. Now sine theta is actually 1 divided by 2. Where is 1 divided by 2 here, and sine 30, which is equal to 30 degree. Now question number 2, 3 under the root divided by 2, which is equal to sine 60 degree. When we use this table, sine theta, the value of root 3 divided by 2, which is in table 60 degree, which is 60 equal to 60. Now question number 3. Here the sine 45 degree which is equal to 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 actually means sine 45 degree. Sine 45 degree 1 divided by 2, which is this is true. Now next, remove this. Okay, now cos 30 degree, cos 30 degree 3 under the root upon 2, which is equal to cos 30 degree. Now when we find the value of cos theta in column, this here 30 degree, which means 30 degree is equal to 3 under the root upon 2. Now what divided by 2 according to the cos beta? Cos beta means theta. Beta is equal to theta we use here. Now 1 upon 2 under the root, which is equal to cos beta 1 divided by 2 into 45 degree, which is equal to, now this is cos 60 degree, which is equal to cos 45 degree, which is equal to 1 divided upon under the root 2, and cos 60 degree, which is equal cos 60 which is equal to 1 divided by 2. Actually cos 60 means, here we can see the value of 1 divided by 2, which is at 60 degree. Now this is the cos theta. Now let's move next questions. Question number 2. Find the value of gamma when the value of tan gamma is. Here is the tan 45 degree, tan 60 degree, and tan 30 degree, which is equal to this, which is equal to this. When tan gamma is 45 degree, when tan value of gamma 1, here is tan theta and this is 1, which is equal to tan 45 degree. Now under the root 3, which is in 60 degree, and under the root 3. Now 1 upon under the root 3, which is equal to tan 30 degree. Here tan theta, and which is equal to 30 degree, means it is tan 30 degree is equal to 1 upon under the root 3. Okay, it is clear. Now next question. Question number 2. Find the value of theta when the value of sec theta is there. Sec theta 60 degree, sec theta 45 degree, and 30 degree. When 2 in column in row sec 60 degree, column 60, and which is both equal in 2, which means 2 of sec 2 is equal to 60 degree. Now 2 under the root, which is equal to 45 degree, and 2 under the root 3, which is equal to 30 degree. Is clear? This and this. Now let's move next question. Exercise 15.2, question number 3. Find the value of following using table and or formula for complementary angle and reciprocal relations. Now start question number 1. 45 degree solution. 45 degree is equal to 1. Cot 45 degree is equal to, now this is a cot 45 degree, which is equal to cot 45 is equal to 1. This formula we cot 45 degree, and this is which is equal to 1. Now next question. Sec 45 degree. Sec 45 degree is equal to under the root 2. Is sec and 45 degree, which is equal to under the root 2. Now next question. Cosec 45 degree. Cosec 45 degree is equal to under the root 2. There is cosec theta and under the root, which is equal to in column 45 degree, angle 45 degree. These are angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now next question. Cot 30 degree. Here cot and 30 degree, which is equal to under the root 3. Now next question. Sec 30 degree. We can see here sec 30 degree, which is equal to this one, 2 upon under the root 3. Okay. Now next question. Cosec 30 degree equal to cosec 30 degree equal to 2. Here cosec theta and cos theta, sorry, here is cosec theta, here is 2 here, and which lie in column 30 degree, so which is equal to 2. Now on next question. Exercise 15.2. Verify that 60 degree equal to 2 sin 30 degree cos 30 degree. This question we will solve by this table. Solution. 60 degree equal to cos 30 degree. Here now 3 under root upon 2 cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree, cos 60 degree equal to sin 60 degree equal to this one. Now we can write here, and is equal to 2 sin 30 degree equal to 1 divided by 2, and cos 30 degree, which is equal to under root 3 divided by 2. Now next, now this is 3 equal to 2 and 2 cancel each other, and this is Now next question. Now verify that tan 30 degree plus cot 30 degree equal to sec 30 degree cos sec 30 degree, which is solution. Now cot tan 30 degree, here is tan theta 30 degree here, which is equal to 1 divided by 3 plus cot 30 degree cot theta 30 degree, which is equal to under the root 3 equal to sec 30 degree sec 30 degree equal to 2 divided by under the root 3 and cosec 30 degree cosec 30 degree equal to 2. Now next step, this here we can take LCM under the root 3 and 1 and 3 multiply 3. Actually it means that when multiply 3 equal to 3, both roots cancel and 3, due to which is power of root is equal to 1 divided by 2. When both powers are multiply, bases when are same, then powers are 8 and which is equal to 1, so it is 3 and 2 multiplied by 2 4 under the root 3. Now this is equal 3 plus 1 4 and 3 4 divided by 3, left hand side equal to right hand side. Now next question. Question number 3, cos 60 degree minus sin 60 degree into square plus 2 sin 60 degree cos 60 degree is equal to 1. Now cos 60 degree equal to 1 divided by 2, we can write here 60 degree sin 60 degree 3 under root divided by 2, can write here, and just taking square on both sides, a whole which is lie between brackets plus 2 sin 60 degree which is equal to 3 under root 2 and cos 60 degree which is equal to 1 divided by 2 and 1 equal to 1. Now next step, now we can take LCM from here 4 and open with formula a plus b whole square. We can use this formula, a plus b whole square which is equal to a, sorry, we can use here a minus b formula. Okay, we can use here a minus b whole square which is equal to a minus a square minus 2 b plus b square. Now 2 to the 4 and 2 when we open 1 minus under the root 3 whole square which is equal to this one, which is equal to this one, plus we can cancel here 2 and 2, and root 3 divided by 2 equal to 1. Now next step, this we can add 3 and 4, 3, 1 and 3, 4, 2 under the root 3 and 4 as it is, this as it is. Now we can take common 2 from here, and this step as it is, and we can do common from 2 and 2 from here. Now 2 1 the 2, 2 2 the 4, here 2 and as it is. Now when we break LCM, 2 we can write with 2 divided by 2 minus under root 3 divided by 2 plus, both sides cancel to each other, and the remaining factor, which is equal to 2 divided by 2 also cancel each other, and 1 equal to 1. This is proof. Now next question. This question number 4. Here the solution. 2 as it is, sine 45 degree is equal to 1 divided by under the root 2. Here sine 45 degree and plus 2 cosec 45 degree is equal to cosec 45 degree is equal to 2, and as it is this step. Now next, 2 multiply by here, 2 multiply by here 2, this step as it is, 2 multiply here, 2 multiply by 1 under the root 2, same as it is. Now 2 we can take LCM, 2 under the root 2 and 4 plus 2. Actually 2 and 2 cancel, multiply by each other. 2 multiply by 2 under the root multiply by 2 under the root, which is equal to 2. So this step as it is. Now 4 plus 2 6, and this is 3. So 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, which is equal to this one. So right hand side is equal to left hand side. Verify. Now next question, question number 5. Here 1 minus sine 2 square 30 degree minus is equal to 2 cos square 30 degree minus 1, and next step, which is equal to this one. 2 as it is, sine 30 degree is equal to 1 divided by 2 and whole square equal to 2 as it is, cos 30 degree, here cos and 30 degree is equal to 3 under the root 2 and whole square minus 1. Now same as it is, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4 and 1 2 divided by 4 2 is equal to 2 3 2, and this one cancel, and here 2 and 2 2s are 4 minus 1. Next 2 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, so remaining factor 2. Now we take LCM, this 2 and 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1. Next step, this one 1 divided by 2 is equal to 1 divided by, okay, this is 1, not 3 minus 2 is equal to 1, so this is also true. Now we further go next question. Now this is now next question number 7. This is question number 7. Now here 1 minus tan square 30 degree 1 plus tan square 30 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square 30 degree. So 1 as it is tan 30 degree. Tan 30 degree we can see here, tan 30 degree, this is actually 1 divided by under the root 3 and taking whole square, 1 plus 1 divided by taking whole square, 1 minus 2 sin 30 degree, sin 30 degree actually 1 divided by 2 whole square. Now next step, now this 2 and 2 cancel each other, this one 2 and 2 cancel each other, this one and 1 as it is, 2 as it is, 2 to the 4 and 2 to the 4, this one. Now next we can take LCM. 2 we can LCM actually 3 here, sorry, due to typing mistake, 3, and we can also 3, so 3 plus 1 4 and 3 minus 1 and 1, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Now next this one, here typing mistake again, here is 3 and here is also 3, so 2 minus 1, take LCM, and 3 cancel by 3 and 1 divided by 2 divided by 4 here, and which is equal to 1 divided by 2 equal to 1 divided by 2, 1 divided by 2. Now next step, question number 5. Question number 5, cos square 45 minus sin square 45 degree is equal to 1 minus tan square 45 degree, 1 plus tan square 45 degree. Let's go solution. This one, this one. Now cos 45 degree is actually equal to 1 divided by 2. We can write here sin 45 degree, which is also equal to 1 divided by 2, which is equal to here, and taking whole square, and tan 45 degree is equal to 1 and 1, sorry, here plus typing mistake, sorry, 1 45 degree is equal to 1. Now this, now we can cancel each other, 2 by 2, 2 cancel from here, 2 and 2 minus 2 is equal to this one. So next we cancel each other, and this is the 0 equal to 0, and left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now next question. Okay, these questions you can practice at home. Next questions, this Find the value of following table using table and formulas. Question 7 to 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. And question number 8, this question, and question number 10, this. These questions practice at home. So take care.